Guys, yesterday I introduced this platform to you, which was launched just yesterday. And yesterday I made my first withdrawal on this platform, which is $2.9. You can see it here, and I show you the proof yesterday on my videos. I show you everything and how to do everything about this platform, how to bind your wallet address, both the USDT BEP20 and the USDT TRC20. So this morning I have performed my task again on this platform through the quantify here, through the quantify here, quantify here. If you want to know how to perform your task, this is just what you need to do on this platform. Just click on here. After you have your plans on it, the minimum you can start with this platform is just $10. You can see they put $11 here, but don't worry, they will give you $1 for free when you register. The moment you register, they're going to give you $1 for free. You can start from $11 to $79. You can deposit between $10 to $79 on this P1, and you'll be earning 19% daily. That means you can earn up to $2 to up to 30 something dollars on it, or $14 on this VIP one, which is the P1. Like that, like that, like that. That's just how it work. If you want to know more about it, you can check the description of this video. You will see the videos there. That is just how it work. After you register, you deposit. It's either you want to deposit using BEP20. Make sure you check this. It's either you want to deposit using USDT BEP20 or TRC20. All you need to do is to just select anyone you want to deposit. This one is TRC20. After I click here, that means it's BEP20, and the wallet address will change. Just look at it. You can see that the wallet address has changed as I changes to BEP20. So that is how you are going to do it. So don't make that mistake. So right now in this video, I want to show you that this platform is still paying today or not. I want to withdraw $5.33 right now, and I have linked my BEP20 USDT wallet address already. I want to withdraw to my BEP20 USDT wallet address. So I will input the amount here, the amount I want to withdraw, which is $5.33, and I will input my withdrawal password. I'm going to input my withdrawal password and then click on choose withdrawal method. That is all, and the money will get into my wallet. But before I made this withdrawal, let me first show you my wallet, to let you know maybe this platform, the money I'm going to receive is coming from this platform or not. So let me show you my wallet first. So you can see this is the wallet. You can see this is my USDT BEP20 wallet. You can see I only have $2.8 here, which is the one I withdraw yesterday, $2.9. So you can see that is just it. You can see even after I refresh it, that is just it. So after I made this withdrawal, I will come back to this place to let you know maybe the money is coming from the platform or not. So choose withdrawal method, then that is it. Now click on submit. Application for withdrawal successful. As you can see, the application for withdrawal has been successful, and right now let me check my withdrawal details and check here. You can see this is it here. This is the $5.33. That means the money has been sent. So let me go back to my trust wallet and show it to you. Maybe I have received it, maybe I receive it or not. Note, the withdrawal is automatically fast. Within seconds you are going to receive it. So you can see the message from Trust Wallet now just pop in. You can see $5.33. Let me refresh this page. Let me refresh it. As you can see, this money has become $7.41. This is it here. You can see the money right here. So that is just it. The platform is paying. Let me just do the screenshot of it so that I can share it to the people in the group. So that is just it. That is just it. You can see that the platform is paying. So if you want to register, check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. Just register and start making money with just $10. In less than 4 to 5 days, you will make back your capital and you will start making your profit from the onward 6 days goes on. You will be making profit the moment you register today and you do your task on the quantify here. On the quantify, just tap on the quantify here. You can withdraw immediately. You can withdraw immediately. And don't forget to bind your wallet address. Don't mistake your binding of wallet address. It's either you bind your USDT TRC20 you want to withdraw to USDT TRC20 or your BEP20. When you withdraw, if you select USDT TRC20, the minimum withdrawal is $5, while on the BEP20 the minimum withdrawal is $2. So you should know that the one you want to go for, for instance, let's say you go you are earning $5 daily. Let's say you are earning $5 daily, then I can say you should use your USDT TRC20 to make your withdrawal. But if you are earning $2 daily, just use BEP20, USDT BEP20 to start your withdrawal. So that is all for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. I will keep on giving you this type of updates if you like this video. And also don't forget to join my WhatsApp group, link in the description of this video. Follow me on Twitter, X, and also on Telegram. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.